Hello, everyone. Today, we are here with Peter Wies, our Group CEO from PMCC Corporation.
Hi everyone, I'm here with Dr. Vahid, our group mentor, and we introduce to you virtual and hybrid project management.
From the post-pandemic era, there have been new efforts to provide the most reliable and efficient method for project success. We know we had already been working with traditional project management methods and then with agile project management, Scrum or Lean. Nowadays, it's not about the specific project management method for project. We are using hybrid project management, which can find a unique way for each project for success.
I would say the hybrid part is really important for us, especially Vahid, because agile is coming from mainly the software side of projects, isn't it? What we do, we blend it now with our EPC projects, and that's why I would say it's the situational approach of project management to actually where I'm coming from is the long-term projects where, building a railway takes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years even. And actually the problem in these mega projects is that only in the last month of the project, we know, oh, it works, because that's when the testing happens and the commissioning and handover. So a lot of issues actually are last minute. And in today's world, we need to change this situation and the approach to project management for this kind of mega projects, that we actually make more piecemeal delivery to like the Scrum method, where they do every 2 weeks or 4-week chunks of sprints to deliver an increment, isn't it? And in our mega projects, we should use a similar way in order to deliver maybe one station or a section to deliver and hand over for use already, while the rest is in a rolling method produced, installed, and as well implemented ultimately. So it's actually this new approach where I would say today we have all the tools available, isn't it? It's not a matter about the tools, it's the way we package the whole situation, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Actually, in the simple words, hybrid project management is referring to combining methods, the traditional project management environment with the agile. And the impact is when we implement a hybrid model, you can bring all your project tasks, people, and especially communication at one place, helping to make the right business choices. For instance, on mixing the traditional approach with agile, the team members can come together with different views, working styles, and also working together on their own way for making a way for more stability, engagement, and also efficiency. To give you some tips, it's very important for the project management office or the project manager to have skills. And these skills of the hybrid project management has to be related to balanced knowledge of each working method. Because if you are going to implement hybrid, you need to know about traditional, you need to know about agile, about different methods, lean, especially how to do a proper stakeholder communication, and also the team management skills, which are the key for a project manager. Those project manager has to learn how to use the agile method as required by a traditional team, or how to bring some traditional benefits to an agile team.
Correct. So it's actually the mixed skills methods and combination of the traditional waterfall planning and the implementation, isn't it? Where the flexibility is much higher, isn't it? And actually the problem what I see typically, especially in my field where we do the railways, Vahid, the problem what I see that the project managers or the project engineers especially, these are the old school, the traditional styles of project delivery, where it takes a long time. You do a long time of design, and nowadays we start using simulators to simulate the software before we actually go into the field. So things happen, but still there is a reluctance to actually set up a test lab and do even the implementation, to test interfaces and all that at an early stage. So this kind of mixed method has to come together. But the biggest problem is not the technology. Actually, that's all available. I believe it's the mindset of the people which needs to change. to see the different ways of and the different styles of managing a project. And sometimes, we say, oh, we have to do it like this, which is a belief. And we actually need to understand there are different methods available, but of course we have to be open-minded to use it. And as well, sometimes it's tough to say, but it's try and error as well. If we never try, we will never know. So it also is a matter of really try out new topics, new style, new methods in order to become more efficient and deliver faster, or even a portion, bring it to the market that it has operational benefits for revenue operation. That's the critical factor, isn't it? We don't have the money and the time anymore to wait, and then maybe deliver something which works. Today, the world wants something quick. We need it quick and working. And then we basically improve over time, whereby, of course, safety cannot be compromised. You cannot improve safety over time. It has to be safe from day one, isn't it? So that's, of course, a challenge, but it's possible.
Yeah. Thank you, Peter. So at PMCC, that we are project management, consulting and coaching. We can provide and also teach your team and providing consulting services for the hybrid project management. Please contact us if you need any help.